ask you something. You make a liar look over the contract there when you sign it?
Yeah. But make them liar friend them look on it, look through it for me.
Prinny, I'm not talk about no liar friend. I talk about liar where you pay if you not get robbed.
Babe, them spend thousands of dollars for me, ear, nails, living cut situations and everything. And
Really?
babe, them have to make back their money out of me where you expect.
But you them investment, them have to do that. It's a percentage thing, you know, be.
And they get that.
How much you get? Got 20% of the standard.
20% them get to go.
But it seems like them will take 20 and then take 20 more. Come in and see you with nothing. Prinny, me not see nothing.
The deal is, them invest $2 million, right?
Mm-hmm.
And them have to get it back before we can move forward.
Prinny, you come like, you come like you don't have no sense, you know, be. Come like you work to put yourself in a box.
In a box?
You mean in a box? Cause come like a killer want to kill off yourself.
I rebuke you, Sheldon. I rebuke you.
Yo, let me ask you something.
Yeah.
How much out of the 2 million them collect already?
After me, no know.
See, I'm the thing I talk about. That's why you need to get an accountant and a liar.
My cousin do the accounting, Sheldon.
The blood here now. Cousin and friend. You want people where you pay. You come like a party shop you run. I want to you, my girl.
Yeah, I'm used to like you want to be the financial advisor and everything. So you want to be the... You want it? You want it?
Might as well. May need for some serious reason, you know.
Sheldon, it's not a reason every single day where God bring. What is it, Sheldon? And what time? 1 o'clock yet?
1 o'clock for.
I'm going to do my hair and my nails.
You come like you're deaf. You didn't hear me say you not come out here.
Sheldon will feel better.
Feel much better. Yo, me I make sure you say me step towards them thing, you know. Me I get a liar and an accountant for you. Oh, you need to change manager too, you know. You need one. You need
so
one
when she tell me to change man, why you can't agree?
Yo, come like you want me. Yo, you think I always like
Me I work with management. A 3-year contract, I'm a never gone 1 yet, and it not gonna be me a breaching a contract. So Sheldon, looking at yourself. If you want to find the lawyer and the accountant, that is okay. But I'm not going to change manager so I'm breaching a contract because I'm not tied on myself for years.
Yeah, man, you're stubborn, man. Do your thing. Yeah? But don't ball to me. Make sure you ball to God, yeah? That me I tell you, cause...
I'm a ball to carry on my man.
Like you can sweet me up, man.
Don't
chat
go home after the show. I want to go.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong.
Come look pretty, man.
Come with what, Sheldon? No, Sheldon, I'm serious. Sheldon, go on, man, and let me go. Why would me even tell you that? You know what you need to go do?
What?
Get one pregnancy, please. I want shrimp, I want lobster, I want little black rice cake. Let go from me.
Let me get that after. Come get some.
Sheldon, I want to call you.
No matter, make up your face. I don't know who man I call.
Why you have to say I want to call you?
I know you stay. I know no man telling you. Tony, I know you're there. Alright. Let's go on circle. Yeah, man. I'm left for us up. Circle. Alright. Big up yourself.
How old name Tony?
Yeah, madam, man. The Kareem girlfriend named Tony.
Let me see.
A joke you make, right?
Come on. Okay.
You good now? You sure? I'm glad you're good enough. Come in, good here. Come
Sheldon!
now.
Stop.
care of yourself.
Okay, love you.
Call and check up on you.
Alright. Hello?
Hey, Trinity, darling. You're ready for the show for later? You're leaving out for the show right now?
No, man, leave out to get my hair and my nails done.
Okay. Well, that doesn't sound bad. I didn't done already for you first, so, might as well. Somewhere you could have move on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Renee, how would I tell about your hair and nails? I'm not tell you say you're not gonna be.